But none of the 5 little ducks came back. Oh, that makes Father Duck really sad. Old Father Duck went out one day over the hills and far away. Father Duck said quack, 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 quack. And all of the 5 little ducks came back. Five little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "Video to video." Abi?
Sige, lakad. Abi.
Fudgy! Fudgy. You want to eat? Yay! Ba't ako? Sabi. Mix. Peekaboo! Go to Tita. You want to eat? Eat! 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 Ano ka ni Lola, yun? Ano ka talaga ni Lola? Wala.
Hi, Abby.
Hello! Hello! This is my morning birthday. Later, I'm gonna take a bath and wear my pretty dress. Come on!
Atay.
Hello!
Smile!